Hi guys, so for today I'm gonna teach you or I'm gonna show you how you can manage or you can edit the restaurant's logo. Okay, so first you need to log into your Mucho Taste account and click manage. And on the left side corner here, you can click the settings and choose website and we can click on the open design mode. This is a better way, but you can also edit anything about the website here. You can choose it here and just make sure to click save. But for me, I would recommend to choose this open design mode because every changes that you will make on the website will have the um or it will every changes that you make will appear here so that you can see if for example if the color of the website is the one that you like, then you can see a preview. It's yeah, that's the right word. The preview for the changes will show here on the right side. So for today's video, I will show you on how you can edit the logo for your restaurant. The logo will appear here on the top, so you can choose top nav bar and you can add a logo text, a logo image, and logo link. So if you would like to add a logo image, it says here a logo image displayed on the top navigation of your store page. Okay, so let's choose a file here. For example, this one. Okay, let's just wait for a second and it should be good. All right, so let's hit save. So you will see what I meant earlier, that on this page it will let you see the preview of your changes. So yeah, there you go. This is the image that we've added for the logo image, for the restaurant's logo, I mean. So yeah, and you can also go back to the top nav bar if you would like to change the logo image. So just remove, you can click remove and hit save, and it should be removed. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can add and remove a restaurant logo for your website. Thank you for watching.